How to activate Wise card in Malaysia. So if you want to activate your Wise card in Malaysia, then I'm going to show you. First, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So let's get started. So you need to make sure that you've logged into your account. You need to open up your Wise. And if you don't have an account, then you can just simply go and create one. So in my case, I'll just simply go with login, which will be in the top right. Enter the credentials. Now, once you've logged in, you need to go ahead and on the left menu, you will have cards option. Click on it. You can select order a new card. Once you've selected order a new card, you'll have this kind of interface. You need to go with get it instantly, which is right here. You can choose digital or physical card. And then it will ask you how you would like to pay. You can choose bank transfer, debit card, credit card, or Swift transfer. Once you've selected, you can go with continue to payment, which will be on the right side. After that, enter your card number, your expiry date, your security code, and go with continue, which will be on the bottom. In this way, you'll be able to activate your Wise card in Malaysia. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.